Welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking off an exciting new series, Ensuring Excellence, a comprehensive approach to data quality. Whether you're a data enthusiast, an analytics pro, or someone just trying to get your data to behave, this series is going to be your ultimate guide to mastering data quality. Why? Because data is only as powerful as it is accurate, and we're here to help you unlock its full potential. Over the next 6 videos, we'll cover everything from the core principles of data quality to overcoming real-world challenges and implementing best practices that actually work. Think of this as your roadmap to turning messy, unreliable data into a trusted powerhouse that fuels better decisions and bigger business wins. Here's a sneak peek at what's coming up in this series. We'll start with why data quality is more than just numbers. It's the backbone of every data-driven decision. Then, we'll dive into the key metrics that define quality, the common pitfalls, and how to sidestep them like a pro. And of course, we'll explore the tools, strategies, and real-world examples that you can start applying right away. Let me ask you something. Have you ever made a decision based on bad data? Maybe it was a report that didn't quite add up, or a dashboard that raised more questions than answers. If you have, you know how frustrating and costly it can be. That's why understanding and ensuring data quality is so critical. It's not just about getting things right, it's about building trust in your data and confidence in your decisions. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video in this series. And if you're as excited as I am about elevating your data game, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get the conversation started. Drop a comment below and let me know what challenges you've faced with data quality. All right, let's jump into the heart of today's topic, data quality. Imagine trying to build a house with warped wood and rusty nails. That's what it's like trying to run a business with bad data. Data quality isn't just nice to have, it's the foundation for every insight, every decision, and ultimately every success. What is data quality? At its core, data quality is about trust. It's the degree to which your data is accurate, reliable, and fit for its intended purpose. Think of it like cooking. Your ingredients need to be fresh, precise, and well prepped, or the dish just won't come out right. Here, accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timeliness are your key ingredients. Why it matters. Clean and reliable data builds trust in your analytics and decision-making. Organizations that prioritize data quality unlock the true potential of their information assets. It's like upgrading from a blurry photo to an HD image. You get clarity, precision, and insights that actually make sense. The key dimensions of data quality: accuracy ensures data correctly reflects real-world entities and minimizes errors. It's like making sure the numbers on your bank statement actually match your spending. No surprises. Completeness ensures all required data elements are present. Think of it as a jigsaw puzzle. Missing pieces mean you'll never see the full picture. Consistency and timeliness ensure uniformity and up-to-date information. Old or mismatched data. That's like using an expired map to navigate a new city. Totally unhelpful. Here's a tip. Start small. Identify one data set that's critical to your business and run a data quality check. Look for errors, missing entries, or outdated information. You'll be surprised how much clarity even a single cleanup can bring to your operations. To sum it up, data quality is your secret weapon for better decisions and stronger outcomes. It's not a one-time effort, though. It's a continuous process of improvement and maintenance. And the best part? Once you start, you'll wonder how you ever operated without it. Imagine you're planning a road trip. You've got your destination mapped out, but if your GPS is glitchy or your map is outdated, how confident would you be about getting there? That's how data impacts decision-making in a business. When data is accurate and reliable, it acts as your trusted compass. But poor quality data? That's like driving blindfolded, dangerous, and honestly a bit nerve-wracking. Let's start with trust. Reliable data is the foundation of every confident decision. When you trust your data, you act decisively. Without that trust, hesitation creeps in. Think about a company basing decisions on faulty sales data, overstocking products no one wants, or worse, underestimating demand for a bestseller. That hesitation or misstep can cost time, money, and opportunity. The takeaway: treat your data like a good friend, one you can always rely on because you've taken the time to verify it. Now, here's where data quality really flexes its muscles: the impact on business outcomes. High quality data doesn't just make you feel good, it drives results. Take a marketing team, for example. One company saw its marketable contacts jump from 43% to over 85% just by addressing data quality. That's not just a boost, that's transformative. It's like fueling your business with rocket-grade energy. Better data sharpens strategies, improves operational efficiency, and helps you connect with customers in a way that feels seamless and impactful. And then there's the proactive side of managing data. Fixing issues early isn't just smart, it's essential. Think of it like maintaining a car. Regular oil changes and tune-ups keep you from breaking down on the side of the road. The same goes for your data. By continuously monitoring for errors and acting on metrics like latency and decision times, you keep your operations running smoothly and effectively. It's the difference between reacting to a problem and staying ahead of it. So, what's the bottom line? High-quality data isn't just a nice to have. It's your competitive advantage. It builds trust, powers better outcomes, and keeps you ahead of the curve. If you want to steer your business towards success, investing in data quality is the roadmap you need. Let your data work for you, not against you. Let's talk about something that might sound technical, but is actually pretty practical: operationalizing data quality. Think of it like building a habit. If you want to stay healthy, you don't just hit the gym once a year, you make it part of your routine, right? The same goes for data quality. It's not a one-time fix. It's about weaving processes, people, and tools into your daily operations to ensure your data is always in top shape. First, it starts with the people. Imagine a sports team. You need dedicated players, data stewards, and analysts who are focused on maintaining the integrity and reliability of your data. These folks are like the referees and coaches, ensuring everyone plays by the rules and the game runs smoothly. Then there's the process. This is your game plan. Standardized procedures for monitoring, assessing, and fixing issues keep everyone on the same page. Think of it like following a recipe. If everyone in the kitchen knows the exact steps, you're far less likely to end up with a burnt cake, or in this case, bad data. And finally, technology. This is where you bring in the heavy hitters. Advanced tools and automation can help you check data quality in real time, streamline reports, and flag issues before they spiral out of control. It's like having a smartwatch that tracks your steps, sleep, and heart rate, keeping you informed and proactive. By integrating these three, people, process, and technology, you're not just fixing data issues as they come. You're creating a system that keeps your data reliable, accurate, and ready to fuel better decisions every single day. It's like setting your business on autopilot for success. What's one thing you'd like to automate in your workflow? Let me know. Improving data quality isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's more like tailoring a suit. You need to adjust each piece to fit the specific needs of your organization. Let's break this down step by step. First, it's all about identifying your critical data assets. Think of it like a scavenger hunt. You can't solve the puzzle if you don't know which clues to focus on. Instead of trying to improve everything at once, zero in on the data that drives the most important business decisions. This approach not only saves resources, but also ensures you're targeting what really matters. Next, collaboration with stakeholders is key. Imagine planning a party. You'd need input from the hosts, caterers, and guests to make sure everything runs smoothly, right? Similarly, you need to work with business users and data stewards to define the rules and expectations for your data. By involving the right people, you create a shared understanding of what good data looks like. Once you've laid the groundwork, it's time to implement data profiling. This step is like running a diagnostic test on your car. It helps you identify what's running well and what needs fixing. Analyzing your data for inconsistencies, anomalies, and patterns helps you spot issues early so they don't derail your operations later. And finally, establish those all-important feedback loops. Think of this as your team's after-action review. Regular check-ins between data users and stewards ensure everyone stays aligned and can quickly address any issues that pop up. It's like fine-tuning your approach to keep up with changing needs and environments. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your data quality, but also build a framework that evolves with your business. Let's dive into the concept of data governance. Imagine it like the rules and playbook for your organization's data. Just like a sports team needs clear strategies and positions for everyone, data governance provides the structure to manage data availability, usability, and security. It's about ensuring that data isn't just accessible, but also trustworthy and compliant with all necessary regulations. One of the key pillars of data governance is setting up clear policies and standards. Think of these as the playbook, defining what good data looks like, how it's maintained, and the compliance measures that need to be met. Without these, it's like playing a game without knowing the rules. You can't win. Then there's the need for clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Picture this. In a restaurant kitchen, everyone has a role: the chef, the sous chef, the line cook. In the same way, your data governance strategy needs business and technical data stewards who ensure everything runs smoothly. These individuals take charge of maintaining the quality and integrity of your data. And finally, a strong data governance framework integrates directly with your data quality strategy. It's like having a recipe to follow. You need to outline the objectives, assessment methods, and processes for remediation, ensuring that your data meets the highest standards across the board. With data governance in place, you're not just organizing your data, you're setting your organization up for success, ensuring reliability, compliance, and value from every bit of information. When it comes to ensuring data quality, the role of data custodians and stewards is absolutely central. Think of them as the guardians of your organization's data, ensuring everything is in its right place, works smoothly, and meets the needs of the business. First, let's talk about data stewardship responsibilities. Business data stewards focus on the big picture, the context. They make sure the data quality aligns with what the business needs. For example, they identify issues, set rules, and ensure that when someone pulls up a report, it actually makes sense in a business context. On the other hand, technical data stewards are more like the builders and troubleshooters. They design and implement processes like data profiling and collaborate with their business counterparts to solve more technical issues. But here's the thing, this isn't a solo act. Collaboration is key. Imagine you're cooking a meal. The chef and sous chef need to communicate constantly to get the timing and flavors right. In the same way, effective data management relies on a strong partnership between business and technical data stewards. It's about building feedback loops, places where data users can provide input on what's working and what needs fixing. This creates a system where data issues are prioritized and resolved efficiently. Lastly, monitoring and reporting are critical. Data custodians are responsible for keeping an eye on the quality of data throughout its life cycle, from onboarding to reporting. It's like quality control in a factory. You don't just check the product at the end, you monitor every step. Regular reporting also helps build trust. By keeping stakeholders informed about data quality metrics and trends, they can make decisions with confidence. So here's the takeaway. Data custodians and stewards are the linchpins of any data quality initiative. They're the bridge between technical capabilities and business needs, ensuring that your data isn't just useful, but trusted and reliable. What's your biggest challenge with managing data stewardship in your organization? Let's dive into that conversation. Accountability in data quality is like the backbone of your data management strategy. Without it, things can easily fall apart. But what exactly does it mean? Well, it's all about ensuring that everyone in the organization knows their roles and responsibilities when it comes to maintaining and improving data quality. It's a collective effort. At the top of the chain, you've got the Chief Data and Analytics Officer, CDAO. Think of them as the captain of the ship. They oversee the entire data quality strategy, making sure it aligns with the company's broader business objectives. It's a critical role because they're driving accountability from the highest level. Then we've got the data stewards. These folks, both business and technical, are in the trenches. They monitor data integrity, enforce quality standards, and tackle issues as they arise. You could say they're the unsung heroes of data quality, ensuring the system runs smoothly on a day-to-day basis. But here's where the magic happens: fostering a culture of accountability. This means keeping communication transparent and documenting processes rigorously. For example, tracking issues in a disposition log isn't just about having a record, it's about creating a shared understanding of what's important and what decisions have been made. It ensures everyone is informed and aligned. Finally, let's not forget collaboration. Effective data quality management requires teamwork. Engineers, analysts, and executives all have a part to play. Their combined effort prioritizes what's most important and keeps everyone accountable across the board. So, accountability isn't just about pointing fingers. It's about creating a system where everyone understands their role, communicates effectively, and works together to uphold the highest standards. How does your organization tackle accountability in data quality? Drop your thoughts below. Let's learn from each other. Let's talk about what it truly means to be a data leader. It's not just about having a title, it's about taking responsibility for driving the organization's data quality strategy forward. And this journey starts with setting clear objectives. Think of these as the guiding stars. By defining data quality objectives that align with the company's business goals, leaders can ensure every effort has a purpose. It's like mapping out your destination before you start the journey. But objectives alone aren't enough. Leaders also need to establish data quality standards. Imagine this as setting the rules of the game, minimum benchmarks for data accuracy, completeness, and other key dimensions. These standards create a unified approach, ensuring everyone in the organization knows what high-quality data should look like. Now, here's where collaboration comes in. Leaders must foster a culture of stewardship and accountability. This means engaging teams like data stewards, engineers, and analysts, and giving them clear roles and responsibilities. It's like building a relay team where everyone knows their part and works together to achieve a common goal. Finally, there's monitoring and reporting. This step is like regularly checking your progress on a road trip. By keeping an eye on the current state of data quality, identifying issues, and sharing metrics transparently, leaders can ensure that necessary improvements are made. Reporting isn't just about data, it's also about building trust with stakeholders and showing them the impact of your efforts. So, whether you're defining objectives, setting standards, fostering collaboration, or monitoring progress, being a data leader is all about creating an environment where high-quality data can thrive. What strategies have you found most effective in leading data quality initiatives? Share your thoughts below. Let's dive into the real-world consequences of data errors. Imagine you're steering a ship, but your navigation system is flawed. That's what it's like making decisions with incorrect data. Poor data quality can lead to misguided actions, lost opportunities, and even major setbacks. It undermines the trust we place in analytics, creating a ripple effect that impacts strategic and operational decisions across the organization. Operationally, data errors are like hidden roadblocks. They disrupt daily processes, slow down workflows, and force teams to spend valuable time fixing issues instead of focusing on what matters most. And let's not forget the cost. whether it's financial due to rework and delays, or the loss of productivity as teams scramble to patch things up. Then there's trust. Consistent data errors can erode the confidence of stakeholders, from data users to executives. If you can't trust the information at hand, how can you make sound decisions? This loss of trust not only weakens your governance framework, but also casts doubt on future initiatives. And here's the kicker: financial consequences. Errors in data can lead to missed revenue opportunities, higher operational costs, and even penalties. For example, think about compliance risks. Industries with strict regulations, like finance or healthcare, can face significant legal and financial repercussions from bad data. It's not just about avoiding fines. It's about protecting your organization's reputation and ensuring long-term sustainability. Data errors are more than just mistakes. They're roadblocks to success. That's why understanding their impact and addressing them proactively is critical. What's your experience with data errors? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you've tackled these challenges. Addressing data errors is a systematic process that starts with identifying the exceptions. Think of it like spotting weeds in a garden. You begin by thoroughly examining your data to pinpoint anomalies like missing values, duplicate records, or inconsistent formats. These weeds can disrupt your data's health. Collaborate with your data stewards to determine whether these anomalies are isolated issues or signs of a larger problem. Documenting these exceptions is key. It's like keeping a record of where the weeds were so you can prevent them from growing back. Once you've identified the issues, the next step is to classify and prioritize them. Not all data issues are created equal, right? Some are like potholes that need immediate fixing, severity 1, while others might be minor cracks that can be dealt with later, severity 3. Categorizing these issues helps focus your efforts and ensures your resources are directed where they're needed most. It's all about smart prioritization, making sure you're addressing what has the greatest impact on your operations first. The final step is to implement remediation strategies. This is where the real work happens, cleansing the data by filling in missing values, standardizing inconsistent formats, and merging duplicate records. Think of it like giving your garden a fresh bed of soil to grow healthy plants. Make sure to work closely with both business and technical teams to ensure these corrections are implemented smoothly, and that the flow of clean, reliable data continues seamlessly across the organization. Addressing data errors isn't just about fixing problems, it's about creating a stronger foundation for your data, enabling better decisions, and driving business success. How do you currently handle data errors in your organization? Drop a comment below. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. We've explored how to address data errors step by step, ensuring your data stays clean, reliable, and ready to drive informed decisions. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to establish proactive data quality monitoring and take your data management game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment below to share your thoughts or let me know how you handle data challenges in your organization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Same channel, more data excellence. See you there.